Which language should we use?
I know English only, madam.
Can we use English?
Yes, please.
Are you comfortable with English?
Yes, madam, I am.
For the Early Childhood Program Center, under Gaba Community Church, Yes, good evening, Your Honor. For the record, my name is Jonathan Mwaganya. The accused is in court for communication of the charges.
Lango by tribe, peasant, a resident of Katumba Zone, Kayanja, Nakawa Division in Kampala District. You are charged with 4 counts, 4 them offenses. Number 1, it's murder, contrary to section 171 and 172 of the Penal Code Act, Cap 128. It's being alleged that you, Christopher Okero Onyom, on the 2nd day of April this year at Gaba Childhood Development Center, Gaba Trading Zone, Gaba Parish, Makini Division, Kampala District, with malice aforethought, unlawfully caused the death of Eteku Gideon. Count 2, is also murder, contrary to section 171 and 172 of the Penal Code Act, Cap 128. Being alleged that you, Christopher Okero Onyom, on 2nd day of April this year at Gaba Childhood Development Center, Gaba Trading Zone, Gaba Parish, Makini Division, Kampala District, with malice aforethought, unlawfully caused the death of Keish Ogenworth Otim. Count 3, also murder, contrary to section 171 and 172 of the Penal Code Act, Cap 128. It's being alleged that you, Christopher Okero Onyom, on 2nd day of April this year at Gaba Childhood Development Center, Gaba Trading Zone, Gaba Parish, Makini Division, Kampala District, with malice aforethought, unlawfully caused the death of Seruyange Ignatius. The last count, number 4, it's also murder, contrary to section 171 and 172 of the Penal Code Act, Cap 128. It's being alleged that you, Christopher Okero Onyom, on the 2nd day of April this year at Gaba Early Childhood Development Center, Gaba Trading Zone, Gaba Parish, Makinde Division, Kampala District, with malice aforethought, unlawfully caused the death of Odeke Ryan.
Have you understood the counts?
Yes, Madam, I have understood.
You need not say anything in this court because it lacks the jurisdiction to hear this matter. State how far with inquiries?
Inquiries almost done. We seek your indulgence to have the matter mentioned tomorrow. The 8th of April.
An accused person, you have the following rights under the Constitution. The first right is the legal representation at the expense of the state. There will be a lawyer available to you who shall be paid by the state to represent you in cases of this nature. You also have a right to apply for bail, but that will be in the High Court, not in this court. Your case will only keep coming back to this court for mention in regards to investigations. However, the State Attorney, Chief State Attorney, has informed court that the matter should be fixed for tomorrow for mention. And I'm fixing it the same for mention tomorrow, the 8th, at 2 p.m. You'll be remanded to prison until tomorrow for mention of your case.
Council, you want to come on behalf
Capital Criminal Case number 24 of 2026, Uganda versus Christopher Okero Onyom. Christopher Okero Onyom.
record.
Yes, good evening, Your Honor.
Good evening.
For the record, my name is Jonathan Mwaganya. For the Early Childhood Program Center, under Gaba Community Church, the accused is in court for communication of the charges.
Which language should we use?
I know English only, madam.
Can we use English?
Yes, please.
Are you comfortable with English?
Yes, madam, I am.